Hello friends, you see here that the crochet granny squares have been beautifully blocked, and for those who have not seen this video of making these granny squares, please do visit my previous videos as to how to make it. In this video we will see how to make use of these granny squares to make some potly gift bags. First step is to find out which is the front side. So for finding out the front side, remember that if the V stitch faces you, it is the front side, and the other side is the back side. Now place the right sides together and the wrong sides facing you. That is, the wrong side should be outwards and the right side should be inwards. So take the same color yarn as that of the border, but here, since I did not have it, I am taking another similar color. Since we have been working on a very basic crochet granny square project for absolute beginners, we will take a very simple joining method, that is using a needle. Thread the needle and keep the yarn lengthy. Now take the pieces together and then look for the corner. In the corner you would have made 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochets. We will start with the second chain in that corner. Now you can see closer, you have the 2 chains in between the 3 double crochets on each side. So we will start with the second chain. Insert the hook into the stitch. In fact, it is the back loop of each of these stitches. I hope you are able to see how it's been inserted, and then pull the yarn. The first stitch which you will do is just a simple knot. This is a very simple knot which you will do as usual, and then the end tail we will insert it in the subsequent stitches. So now insert the hook into the next stitch, the back loops of each of these stitches, and then pull the yarn. Don't pull it too tight. I hope you are able to see. Insert the hook into the next stitch, the back loops of each of these stitches. You can insert the end tails in this manner so that it gets hidden inside the stitches. Continue doing like this for the 3 sides of the granny square. I am just speeding up the video after this. I hope you are able to understand and you will be able to do the 3 sides of the granny square. Now you see this is how it gets joined. Now we'll do the other sides. You can now see that the second side is also been done, and we will now do the third side. Now we have reached the end of the third side, and now we have to secure with a knot. So as soon as you reach the end of the third side, you just have to put a knot and secure the stitches and cut the yarn. Now you can see the stitches now on all the three sides. This is the back side, that is the wrong side, and then now you have to reverse the work. You can see a beautiful pouch being formed now. Now take a satin ribbon and insert into the chain spaces alternatively to form a potli pouch. So this is a very simple form of a potli pouch, but it looks beautiful enough for a gifting purpose. You can add in some gift inside. Of course, because of the gaps which are bigger, you have to add bigger gifts which will not fall off the pouch. Here's another potli pouch. Look how beautiful it looks. It is a very simple project with the basic granny square. So you can just try it. I hope the video was very easy to understand, and I hope you will all do this simple, very simple, beginner friendly project, and check on my previous videos as to how to do the granny squares also. There has not been any complicated stitches, no knots or complicated knots. It's just a very simple project. See, you can just put bigger gifts like this into the pouch and gift to your loved ones. I'm also a very basic crocheter. If I can do it, you can also do it. Do try. Thank you.